Bitcoin revolutionized how the world pays, giving you the power to control your money without governments or banks. However, its transaction processing limits have long been said to be a shortcoming. The Bitcoin Lightning Network helps this issue by giving users the ability to make hundreds of thousands of cheap transactions each second. Here is the Lightning Network explained. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Down to Crypto, where you will get all the crypto knowledge required. So without any further delay, let's get started. Lightning Network explained. The Lightning Network is a secondary layer on the Bitcoin blockchain which allows users to create payment channels where transactions can occur away from the main blockchain, but still benefit from the blockchain's security and decentralization. These are known as off-chain transactions. The second layer offers speed, cost savings, and scalability for the entire Bitcoin network. How does the Lightning Network work? The Lightning Network is built upon smart contracts that create off-chain payment channels between two parties. These are direct payment lines that occur on top or outside of the main blockchain. For example, you and your local cave can create a payment channel in which you pay for your daily coffee and scone. Once the payment channel is open, you can make an unlimited number of payments. Transactions occur instantly at a fraction of what it would cost on the main blockchain. Your payment channel has its own ledger where the transactions are recorded away from the main Bitcoin blockchain. Each party has the power to close or renew at their discretion. Once the two parties decide to close the payment channel, all of the transactions that occurred inside are consolidated and then broadcasted to the main blockchain ledger. Consolidating the smaller transactions allow for larger transactions to be validated in a quick manner. Without payment channels, your small coffee and scone transactions would get in the way of the larger transactions, slowing down the Bitcoin network for everyone. You could, of course, buy your coffee and scone through a normal Bitcoin transaction. However, each time you order, you would have to pay the network fees, which may cost more than the coffee itself. What's the use in that? Instead, with the Lightning Network, the only fees you pay are to open and close the payment channel. Pros of Lightning Network. The obvious pros of the Lightning Network are faster and cheaper transactions, enabling micropayments in a way that was never possible before. Without the Lightning Network, users would have to pay high fees for a simple transaction and then wait an hour or more for it to validate. Longer wait times occur for smaller transactions as miners choose to validate larger transactions because they earn larger rewards for doing so. The Lightning Network is connected to the Bitcoin blockchain, existing as a layer on top of it. The connection means that the Lightning Network still benefits from Bitcoin's security protocols. Users can then choose the main blockchain for bigger transactions and swap to the Lightning Network's off-chain for smaller ones without worrying about safety. The Lightning Network payment channels also provide private transactions as onlookers cannot take a peek at every individual transaction, instead only the overall package. Cons of Lightning Network. One has to acquire a wallet compatible with the Lightning Network to actually take advantage of it. While finding a wallet that works with the Lightning Network is easy, a user needs to fund it from a traditional Bitcoin wallet. The initial transaction from the traditional to the Lightning Network wallet costs a fee, so users are losing some Bitcoin to interact with the protocol. After funds are in the Lightning Network wallet, users must lock up their Bitcoin to create a payment channel. Sending Bitcoin between wallets can be annoying and expensive, which is off-putting to newer users. That said, some wallets can manage both on- and off-chain payments without paying fees, and the convenience is likely to improve over time. If either participant in the payment channel decides to pull some funds, they have to actively close a channel and receive that Bitcoin back before using the funds. It's not possible to pull out a little bit of money and leave the channel open. What makes the Lightning Network so great? The combination of payments made through the main Bitcoin blockchain and through Lightning Network result in an overall better payment experience that is fast, low cost, and scalable. It's fast. Exactly how fast is the Lightning Network? The Lightning Network is capable of handling 1 million transactions per second, while the main Bitcoin blockchain can handle around 7 transactions per second. It's cheap. Fees for Bitcoin transactions can be expensive, sometimes greater than whatever you're paying for. Lightning Network provides an economical way to make payments of any size at regular intervals. This opens the door for making everyday micropayments in Bitcoin, like for coffee, pizza, or anything else you can buy with Bitcoin. It's scalable. The Lightning Network allows users to jump through payment channels. If Party A is connected to Party B and Party B is connected to Party C, then Party A can transact with Party C without opening a new payment channel. History of Lightning Network. 2013, Bitcoin developer Mike Hearn publishes Satoshi Nakamoto's explanation of payment channels. 2015, Joseph Poon and Thaddeus Dreja published their paper, The Bitcoin Lightning Network, in which they describe an off-chain payment protocol built with payment channels. 2016, Lightning Labs is founded. The company is dedicated to advancing the Lightning Network. 2018, Lightning Labs releases Beta Lightning implementation. Lightning Labs receives $2.5 million in seed funding, with notable investors including Square founder Jack Dorsey. 2022, BitPay supports Lightning Network payments. The future of Bitcoin's Lightning Network. There remain challenges with Bitcoin's Lightning Network and its ability to boost scale while simultaneously lowering transaction fees. However, the technology's core team has incorporated new use cases and has been researching additional features. As a result, there have been significant developments that are due to improve the network. So this was all for today. Hope you liked this video. In case of any doubts, please ask your questions in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to Down to Crypto for more such amazing videos.